Hi, Yusek. Good morning. There's information that Secretary Popolutili of DNR has resigned. Can we confirm that with you?
Hindi po. Hindi po siya pinag-resign at meron po tayong babasahing announcement. Itinalaga ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. bilang Acting Secretary ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources si Undersecretary Juan Miguel Cuna. Si Secretary Rafael Lotilla naman ay itinatalaga ng Pangulo bilang Ambassador ng Pilipinas to the Holy See. Bago maitala bilang Acting Secretary ng DENR, nagsimulang manilbihan si Cuna sa departamento mula 2008 bilang Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Officer hanggang 2010. Naitalaga rin si Cuna bilang Direktor ng DENR mula 2010 hanggang 2015 at naging Assistant Secretary noong 2017 at Undersecretary ng parehong taon. Naging law professor din si Acting Secretary Cuna sa Arellano Law Foundation at Director 4, Legal Officer ng Presidential Legislative Liaison Office ng Office of the President noong 1998 hanggang 2001. Upang masiguro ang tuloy-tuloy na operasyon sa DENR, nagpapatuloy ang matiwasay na transisyon sa pagitan ni Secretary Lotilla at Cuna. Samantala, nagpapatuloy naman ang proseso ng pagpasa ng mga pangalan ng acting secretaries para sa kanilang confirmation.
May we know the reason why there was a change in the leadership in the ENR?
According to what we have heard, ang sinabi po ay mas nais ngayon po ni Secretary Lotilla ng lighter assignment. So, yun lang po ang naibigay sa ating information.